everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the L-shaped metal puzzle or the half triangle metal puzzle. So basically what you need to first start off with is you kind of have to position it so that it looks like an M with the loops in the center and the loose edges on the sides. And then you have to kind of bring the one on the right hand side down. It's like this, and then position it like that. And then now you can hold the other part of this and bring it up just a little bit, not all the way, just a little bit, so that these two are kind of on the same line. And then you turn it, and then all you have to do is just push it out. And that is how you solve it. And to put it back in, you can do it like so. Just reverse the moves that you did, and you can just shake it up. And yeah, that is how you solve the half triangle or L-shaped metal puzzle. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also that like button. And please comment if you want me to do more metal puzzle solvings. I will be doing more. So goodbye, see you in the next video.